Subject-verb agreement. The principle of subject-verb agreement states that a singular noun requires a singular verb, while a plural noun necessitates a plural verb. Let us discuss the rules of subject-verb agreement. Two or more singular or plural subjects connected by and act as a plural compound subject and take a plural verb. Example: John and Mary are going to the party together. Mumbai and Delhi are the two metropolitan cities of India. A singular verb is used when two subjects connected by and represent one idea. Example: Fish and rice is my favorite dish. The cat and the dog sits together on the floor. When two singular subjects are connected by the words or, nor, neither or either, they require a singular verb. Example: Anisha or Ritu is going to market. Neither the teacher nor the student is present in the classroom. Two or more singular subjects connected by neither, nor, either, or, need a singular verb. Example: Neither the principal nor the teacher was able to answer the question. You can choose either chocolate or vanilla ice cream. When a compound subject consists a singular subject and a plural subject, and they are connected by or, nor, neither, nor, or either, or, the verb agrees with the subject that is closer to the verb. Example: My uncle or aunt are going there. Neither the crew members nor the manager is in the stadium today. Indefinite pronouns are always singular and take singular verbs such as anyone, everyone, someone, no one, nobody. Example: Everyone has to come tomorrow. No one has left their purse. In sentences where a phrase separates the subject from the verb must agree with the subject, disregarding the noun or pronoun within the phrase. Example: Neither of the laptop is charging. Neither of them is coming. Sentences that begin with there is or there are have the subject following the verb. Therefore, the verb must agree with the subject. Example: There are many cars parked on both the sides in the lot. There is new book on the shelf. Collective nouns, when taken as a unit, such as family, group, committee or class, work as a singular verb. Example: The team is preparing for the T20 World Cup. The family is going on vacation next week. When a singular subject is separated from the verb by phrases such as along with, as well as, besides, not, they are not considered part of the subject, and thus we use a singular verb. Example: The minister as well as his sisters is going to parliament. With distances, periods of time, sums of money, etc., when considered as a unit, we use a singular verb. Example: 20 lakhs is a lot of money. 50 kilometers is too far to run. Subjects that are plural in form take a singular verb. Example: Mathematics is my favorite subject. Plural indefinite pronouns such as few, most, both, several, some, use a plural verb or a singular verb, depending on the subject. Example: Most of the people do not like it. Most of the ice cream was eaten. A plural verb is used when the subject denotes the individuals in the group. Example: the board of directors were divided in their opinion. Nouns like trousers, pants, scissors, sunglasses take a plural verb. Examples: my trousers are yellow. Your sunglasses look cool. With fractions, the verb agrees with the whole. Example: one third of the cake is gone. One fifth of the work is completed.